How to shade Venn diagram. We have A union B. Here we have two sets A and B set. So A union B. We shade all the members of A and B here. So set A is this one and the set B is this. So to show A union B through Venn diagram, we shade whole set A and set B. So this shows A union B. Next is A intersection B. In intersection, we only take the overlapping members or overlapping region of the two sets, that is common part of A and B. So here we have set A and the set B, some part of both the sets overlap with each other. So the region which is overlapping is the common region. So we only shade this region to show A intersection B. So next is A complement. To show A complement means not A. If this is the set A, then we only shade the region which is outside of the A. So the outside of the A is this part. That is we do not shade the inside of the circle. We only shade the outside of the circle. So this is the A complement. Next is the A complement intersection B. It means that A complement means not A. So here we have two sets, A set and the B set. This is the B set. Both the sets overlapping with each other. So if we say that outside of the A, so the outside of the A is this part. Shade the inside of the B part but not the A set. So the overlapped region will not be shaded. Next is A union B complement. Here also we have set A. This is the set A and the set B. B complement means not B or without B. So we take union of A with the members or the region which is outside of B. So A region is this and outside of B is this one. all elements of A and not the B. So we shade whole part of A, including the overlapping part, but not the B. Next is A union B whole complement. If we see that how we shade A union B here, we shade all the parts of all the region of A set and the B set. So here in this example, if we say whole A union B, it means that whole region of A union B, which is if we say A union B whole complement, so we take outside the A union B, that is we shade only the area which is outside of A union B. So we only shade the region, this one. This is the region which is not A union A. This is the A set and the B set. We do not shade A union B. Now A intersection B. In the same way, we shade here A intersection B only the region which is common between A and B. So in this example, we do not take the or we do not shade the area which is overlapped. We only shade the area which is outside this overlapping area. So this is the overlapping area of A set and B set. This is A set and B set. So we shade only A part, the part which is not overlapped with each other. So this is A intersection B. A intersection C. This is the set A, this is B set, and this is C set. The common region of A and C is this one. If we this is the set C and this is the set A. So the common region between them is this one. So we shade only this region. Next is, or last one is B intersection C union A intersection A complement. So the region which is B intersection C is, this is A, this is B, and this is C set. So B intersection C is this part. This part is the B intersection C part, the common region of B and C. Now the union with A complement. So the region which is outside of A is this one. So this is the region which is outside A. So this is all about how to show sets with Venn diagram.